salted caramel apple cake. Okay, you guys, here's the sitch. I'm in Poland freezing my butt off with the absolute love of my life, and this is another episode of no recipe, but I kind of have a recipe, but just vibes. I've been craving an apple cake. I don't know why. Maybe it's the holiday season. I put flour, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground cloves in there. My wet ingredients are egg, butter, sugar, vanilla, some milk, oil, and of course, some grated apple, which you're about to see in a second. I also added the spices to the grated apple. Yes, add all that juice in there. I also put some lemon juice, and I'm out of breath because I just ran in here to record this. Also, I needed to make sure I was still who I think that I am as far as making homemade caramel sauce. And it turns out that I'm still that one and not that two. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, bye.